exercise. So we know we need to right click, add web form. Okay, so first exercise we are going to do XYZ corporation, isn't it? So for that, what we can do is, first we have to right click, add new web form, then we need to click this design mode, then this form will come. Then here write welcome to XYZ corporation, XYZ corporation, write in caps also. Okay, XYZ corporation, you can increase the bold size, bold also, size also you can make it large if you want by selecting from here large. Okay, now enter, keep on entering. Okay, after enter, you place one image button here, image, drag image, right click, properties, then here you need to have some image before that. So what I did it, see this building image already I downloaded from Google, saved it in my pictures folder, then right click, I copied this picture, right click, copied, and I pasted here. I right clicked and pasted here. When I pasted, my building image came here. Now when my building image came, after that only I have to drag this image control and place it here, then right click this image, okay, and then you'll get one square, browse it and select my building image. That's all. Then you can either increase its size, strength as you like, horizontally or border as you like, you can increase. That's all. I've given a title, placed one image. Before that, copy one image from Google, building image or any image from Google, and then paste it here. Then you'll get one image over here, and then, or else any picture whichever is available in your desktop, any picture. If you are not allowed to Google, you can copy and paste any picture, any flower picture, any picture from your desktop and paste it here, and then drag image here, then right click that image and select this image URL. When you select, your pasted picture will display, click OK, your image will come, then you can adjust the size accordingly. Okay, then you can have some button here like about button. Okay, then 2 or 3 button I want. This is button 2, drag button and place it. Okay, either first cut one, but first drag one button. Okay, then give some space by manually, and then in this space drag another button, or else let us complete first button. This is one button. Properties, change the name, about us. Okay, this is one button. If I want any coding, yes I want, so double click this button, it will go in coding and write just one line of code, and that one line of code will be response.write whatever you want to display in about, what you want to display in about button. Like I will write here response.write about welcome to XYZ corporation. So response.write, welcome to welcome to XYZ corporation. Whatever text you want to write, you can write here welcome. We give within double quotes. Response.write, give within double quotes. Okay, now semicolon. That's all. This one first button coding is over. Just I wrote response.line welcome. So when the user click this button, when it clicks, it will display him one line. What is that line? Welcome, it will display. This response.line act as printf statement, so it will display welcome. Okay, next another button. For that another button, you can give one space and drop here. Then this I will write as right click, then I will write as contact us. So contact us. Okay, see this is my button 3. Okay, see you. Now double click this. When the user double click this contact button, it will display him the contact number. So for that same coding, I will copy and code. I will not push welcome. Instead of welcome, I will give the contact number, any number 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's all. Okay, so likewise so many buttons you can drag and drop here. Here you can fee structure, then double click that and write another coding, fee structure. Okay, right click and properties, fees. Okay, fees will change here. Right click, see, right click the button, change its text. Right click and change its text. Then double click it and write one line of code. That one line of code will be this response.line. Now itself it would have got in your mind. Response.line, fees will be 10K per year. This message will be displayed when the user clicks that button. This message will be displayed. When the user click contact button, the number will be displayed. So one line of code over, button is over, image is over. Okay, now we can take some feedback. So for that we can drag one label, some label over here, and that label we will change its text. Right click property, change the text, take feedback. take feedback. We can also change the color of this feedback. We can also change the color. Right click, properties, change its color. Take feedback can be in different color, right? So go any color thing you can see. Yes, 4 color. Select. Okay, 4 color and change feedback. Enter. Then again drag one radio button list. On radio button list. Okay, and select some items here. How takes some feedback. Website useful, then not useful. You can add so many. Very useful, some useful. Okay, you can take this feedback. Then take feedback. You can have some link also here. Take survey. You can change the link as take survey. Then change the color, 4 color to some other color. Green color. Take survey. Take feedback. Then again you can write some, again placed whatever you want to write it in label. Right click, properties, change it. Whatever you want to write. What you want to write. Suppose I want to write here, please take minute time to rate us. I want to write this text. Okay, so I will change it, write it in text. So please take a minute to rate us. If you want to change the color also, you can change. Again select this, it will get highlighted. Right click and change the 4 color to whichever color you want. Okay, so like this way it will come. Then you can add one more items also. See here, one more items also you can add by clicking this arrow. Edit items, useful, add, somewhat, little useful. Okay, 3 items got added, isn't it? I can make it small or big as I like. I can change it. Okay, then this extra item, what is that? Anything extra item it is showing. Yes, this list item extra, that's why see empty ground is showing. You remove that. Now it will be neatly. Take survey, take time to rate us. Then some calendar also we can drag and drop, isn't it? Some calendar or any button to log in. If you want, whatever you can drag drop in your website, and you can change the site. You can change the size accordingly. Okay, like calendar, you have studied calendar, right? So calendar, whatever date we select, it should display in this text box. If you want, you can have this, or you can leave it as itself. Or if you want, you don't want this calendar, you can cut it. So this is a simple website design. Okay, whatever you have designed, its code has come here. See, this code, it has come here, right? It has come. So in your program also, they have given the code, this red color code only they have given source code. Okay, so see, this, if you want to by heart from this also, you can by heart, but you need not by heart this line. This line will be already there. Just by heart from title. Just by heart from title till the end. These are space. NBSP stands for space. Just by heart and write here in source. If you want to write to, or else if you want to write here, or else do a design like this way. Okay. If you want, you can place a calendar also. This is one design over. Let's run and see. Let's run and see. Like this we will get our output. This is a home page. Again, you can have more buttons and you can reduce the font size. You can have some calendar also, isn't it? Give stop debugging and make some changes. The changes which I am going to make here is, I will select this and highlight this and medium size. So it will come to medium size. Then again I will place a pointer. Please enter key here, and again one label I will drag, and in that I will write, right click, whatever text you want to change, just right click, property, change the text as, I want a text as how useful is XYZ website. So right click, copy, and here you paste it. Right click, properties, and how useful is your website. You can type how useful is website. How useful is website. Type it. That's all. And if I want to change the font size above, you can make it as small, or you can make it as select above, medium. change the color by here 4 color. Okay. Then how useful is our website? Then you can have some calendar also if you want to. Otherwise, what else you can have? Double click this, you wrote one line of coding fees, then mobile number, welcome to. Okay, then anything else you can have in this page? What else you can have? Click to login page, then again one button you can have. Okay, one more button. What is that? One more button. You can drag and drop button. You can change this, right click properties to login. Okay, now when the user double clicks that login, what it should display? See, now it's blank. What it should display? It should display as welcome to login page, isn't it? Welcome to login page. Yeah, sign in to login, it should display, isn't it? Or else it should go to another login page. So we can have another login page also, isn't it? So for that we can draw another one login page also. See, if I click this, I should go to login page. So but for that I need another one login page. This is the home page. This is the home page. I need another one login page. So just what I will do is I'll right click, add another one page, login page, add web. In this itself I will add one more page, add web form, and I will name that page as login, not home, login. Okay, login. Okay, so this is my login page. Okay, so again one login page will get come. Now when I click this, it should go to login page. For that one line of coding I should write response.redirect. Okay, this is my login page. See, login. Now here also if I want I can design something, username, password, manually just type first username. Okay, then password, pwd you can give, and here one text box you can have. Drag one text box fast, drag one another text box fast, drag it, then place a submit button, then submit button, right click, change its property to submit button, submit. Okay, so go to your original form. What was your original form? Yes, this was my original form. When I click this button, it should go to login page. So when I click this button, it should go to login page. So how it will go? Just by one line of code, response.redirect. Redirect to which page? Login page. So response.redirect within double quotes give login dot axps. Give this login page name, this login.axpx. Give the name as it is, login response res. Okay, and end it. That's all. So see, when the user click first button, that is about button, it will display the message welcome to XYZ. When the user clicks contact button, it will display the number, fees, it will display the years. When the user click login button, it will go to login page. So for that, the slight difference. Response.write, it will display the message. Response.redirect, it will redirect to another page. Okay, it will redirect to another web page. But that web page is login page, login.aspx page. It will come to this page. Then user can submit the data here and submit. Okay, so now I will run and show you. Okay, so just I dragged the button, then I dragged imaged, right click image URL. For that you need to have some image, copy and pasted over here. Then these are just label. I change the text of label and wrote the text as whatever I want to, change its color. Then this link button also, if I want, I can place and change the text to whatever color. Then this is radio button list. I dragged up and added some items. Likewise, anything whatever you want, anything you want, you can write using radio button list. You can also have a calendar, then one text box, then double click that calendar. Under double click you can write text box 1.text is equal to calendar 1.selected text, selected date, like how you do it for calendar. So whatever you know in .NET, you can apply in this home page. Okay, we'll run and show you. When you run, click, see, this will be the output. When you click on login button, it will go to login page by giving one line of code, response.redirect to login.aspx. Give name and submit, that's all. Okay, then come back to previous page. So this is our home page. Okay, and password, this is the login page. Okay, and password, if you don't want to be displayed, select the text box of password, right click properties, select this text mode to password, then dot will display, password will not display, that's all. Okay, and when the user submit it, it should display the message as submitted successfully. So for